Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies Natasha, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, cream 1 cup butter and 1 cup sugars, then add 2 eggs and 2 tsp vanilla. Fold into 1/4 cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, 1 tsp salt, and 2 cups chocolate chips. Scoop 1.5 tablespoon dough per cookie, bake 9-12 minutes, cool on a rack before serving and enjoy. Let's talk ingredients and easy swaps that keep flavor while fitting your pantry. Use a mix of granulated and brown sugars for balance, and try 1 cup brown plus 1 cup white. If you need a dairy-free option, substitute butter with an equal amount of solid coconut oil chilled first. For less sweetness, reduce sugar by 15% and watch baking time closely for perfect chew. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making full guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes crumb cleanup almost fun, and it even finds stray chips you miss. I love how it frees up time for baking and testing more cookies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make a big difference in results. Chill dough 30-60 minutes to control spread and deepen flavor, and use parchment or silicone for even browning. Scoop uniform dough balls and leave 2 inches between them on the sheet. Bake until edges are golden and centers still look slightly soft, then cool on the pan for 5 minutes before moving to a rack to finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.